Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make an Aternos server 24/7. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I would like for you to see this article from Aternos. It says 24/7 hosting. Aternos is a free game server hosting service available to millions around the world. To maintain free and accessible servers for everyone, we don't provide 24/7 hosting. Instead, your servers automatically stop when the last player leaves. And this method right here keeps the platform sustainable while ensuring fair access for all users. If you want to bypass this one, you'll have to install or use a bot from Replit or GitHub. Okay, could be a Aterbot. Okay, listen closely, Aterbot. Aterbot. If you want to use it, by all means, go ahead and do so. But I would just like for you to know that trying to bypass the Aternos system by using bots, scripts, or other tricks to keep your server 24/7 is against their rules and doesn't work in the long run, as the system automatically checks for artificial activity. Servers kept online using bots or similar methods can be detected and shut down. Accounts found trying to abuse the system may be restricted or suspended. So the most practical way to do this, to make your Aternos server 24/7, is that make sure that you have enough players playing in a different region so that nobody leaves the specific server. That is it. That is how you make it Aternos server 24/7. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.